Welcome back, it's your boy Keys. We're live on CoinMarketCap blog today. We'll be looking at Foan continues strong fundamentals growth in January push. So, article by Daniel Phillips. We'll be reviewing this article. So, over the last year, Ethereum has struggled with almost a perpetual congestion and high gas fees, which has made the blockchain all but unusable for smaller transactions. As a result, a number of alternate smart contract platforms have begun muscling in on this territory, including the likes of Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Terra, each of which have gone from strength to strength in recent months as they grow their market share. But while heavyweights like these have capped most of the attention lately, several other smart contract platforms have been putting in quite the performance behind the scenes and have been gathering significant momentum. Widely known as Foan Trade, a quartet of blockchains comprised of Phantom, Harmony, Cosmos, Near Protocol have seen a dramatic uptick in their on-chain activity, wallet count, so DApp ecosystems, and total value locked (TVL) in recent months. So each of these platforms has outpaced in percentage terms Ethereum in at least one of these key metrics. So because of these, many investors now expect that one or more of these platforms will eventually go on to become a major Ethereum competitor. So guys, this is the graphical pictorial representation. So and according to recent data, this rampant growth appears to be continuing into 2022. As per the latest daily transaction figures, three of the four assets, Harmony, Phantom, and Near, have been a gradual uptick on-chain activity in January 2022. But more than this, all four platforms have seen a significant uptick in the TVL this year. That's per data from DeFi Llama. So here are the figures. So Phantom TVL up 54% YTD. So this now sits at $7.57 billion, of which more than half is associated with the multi-chain DApp. Then we have Harmony TVL up 49% ETD. This now sits at $1.23 billion, of which more than 60% is associated with the play to earn game DeFi Kingdoms. And Cosmos TVL up 21%. This now sits at $9.2 million, all of which is associated with Steffi. Then we have Near TVL up 26%. This now sits at $162 million, 64% of which is associated with Refinance. So that said, while all foreign assets have seen their TVL grow, they all have a rather limited decentralized ecosystem and have a single massively successful DApp that dominates the TVL. As their product landscapes grow, the TVL may continue to grow but be spread across a larger DApp roster. So there's an important one here. It says multi-chain recently announced that a critical vulnerability has been found in its older router contract. If you have ever approved WETH, Perry, WBNB, Matic, or AVAX on the platform, then this may concern you. See full details on the issues on how to revoke any necessary permissions. So guys, that's all we have here on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. I'll be dropping a link to this article in the description box below, so you want to check it out for more updates. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and peace out guys. Your back. Keys, much love, and stay blessed.